How's it going, everybody? Bryce Green here with Big Kid Blocks, and I want to show you guys one of our unique kits that we have compiled from a lot of our block kits together. And this is specifically designed for those in the residential and industrial coatings industry. You know, so those that are working on cabinets and homes and commercial buildings and just different stuff like that. This kit is perfect for those in that lifestyle. So this is called the RIC Kit, the RIC, Residential and Industrial Coatings. And so this 7-piece kit comes with 2 straight shooter blocks. So these are fantastic for, you know, your doors, cabinets, anything that you're using. Go ahead and use these. These are going to get those panels or walls or whatever you're using them on super straight, very comfortable to handle as well. Then we offer with that kit the mini detail kit. And so this is a 5-piece kit that comes with all of these different shaped blocks. Now these are fantastic for so many different uses. You know, getting up into the valley or into a radius portion or anything like that. Every one of these blocks you are going to use and realize that, you know, how have you been working without these? So head over to bkblocks.com, get your guys the RIC Kit. You're going to love it, and you're going to wish that you had gotten these a lot sooner. Thanks, guys.